guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we know that makeup brushes are a very big thing when it comes to doing makeup. So today I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. So I use this cleaner from Miniso to clean my brushes. This is a brush cleaner. You can get it from other stores as well, and I'm extremely sorry for the drilling sounds. There's construction work in our house, but we have to work with it. And also that sorry that this video went up a bit late. I am going to make videos on the topics that you guys have requested, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so first we need some water, and then we take this Tresemme shampoo. Yeah, you see that? And the drilling stopped. Alright, so next we need a conditioner because our brush hair is synthetic, but still we need to have something. And then I take aloe vera gel, yeah, and then you take a face wash. So all of this is just, I just make my own customized brush cleaner, and then you just dip the brushes in them, and yeah, and then you have to rub them against the, what do we say, you have to rub them against the cleaner, and yeah, you have to clean your brushes that way. Again, I'm repeating, please ignore all the sounds that are there, and then you have to repeat that with all your brushes. Now, if you don't have a brush cleaner and if you don't use extremely heavy makeup, you can actually use your hands to clean it. You don't need a specific brush cleaner tool, but I use a lot of makeup, and so I need this tool. Alright, so I dip it into the solution, do it this way, like as you can see, and then again I just wash it off. So this is the whole procedure, and you're gonna see this throughout the video, and stay tuned till the end of this video because I am going to show you how I clean my beauty blenders as well. Another thing you can actually do is that you can use your shampoo, like if you have really dirty brushes, then you can actually use a bit more of shampoo on the tool itself, and again rinse and rinse, so that good amount of foam that comes out and your brush becomes absolutely neat and clean. There's a whole lot of importance of having tools, like clean tools, guys, because if you don't have clean tools, then your makeup won't apply well, and also that you'll get pimples and skin problems, like a lot. Like I even got a lot of problems because I wasn't cleaning my tools, but then I realized it's finally time to clean my brushes. So yeah, and now this is what I do with my blender. So first I dip it in that solution, and then I run water over it. You can see that the blender is expanding ridiculously. It will grow in size, like this is how it grows in size when I even damp it for makeup. So that happens, and again then you have to continue the process. Like you don't have to keep on dipping in the solution, but what you have to do is you have to put shampoo or the cleaner if you have any, so you have to keep putting that, and then you have to continuously squeeze it in between your hands so that it gets cleaned properly. And here you can see me cleaning my brushes, and I've just put them one by one, and this is how you clean them, guys. Yeah, here you'll just see my eye makeup brushes. Like, do you see this? I got more brushes, but these are the 4 basic brushes I use, and they have also become really clean. And this is my fan brush. So yeah, guys, like this was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a short and nice video, and this is the before and after, you guys. I mean, the results are awesome, and yeah, I like it very much. And yeah, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Shivakshi Dikshit, and see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye guys.